Hey friends, it's time to get started on doing the parking sensors on this, so let's get onto the vehicle. Okay, so I'm underneath the bumper. I can see exactly where these are, right here, okay? You've got one all the way over on the passenger side, in the center passenger side, center rear, left rear, and then all the way over on the driver's side. So, to get these out, you're going to use a small pocket screwdriver, and you go right in between the sensor and the plastic that's holding it, and just kind of give it like a little bit of a squeeze, and it should pop right out, just like that. Next, you grab this tab, give it a little tug. Always check your connector. Compare the two parts to make sure you're dealing with the same thing. Super important. Looks the same. This one's just missing the grommet that fell off, so I'm not worried about that. I'm going to take this, connect it in, gave a nice click. I'm going to bring it up here. I'm going to press this in and listen for another click. There it is. Give it a nice tug. It doesn't come out. Perfect. You would just do the same to all four.